Hi girls, today I am going to explain you about the basic sample program from C. This is a initial stage. You are in the first year, so just we start from here. This is the basic programs in C, how to assign values and how to get values from keyboard. So first I start just add two numbers by giving values to a variable by using assignment statement, and then in my second program I change that program into using scanf how we can get inputs from keyboard. Okay, so first I'm going to explain you about the basics, how to give input using assignment statement in C. Okay, so the first step is we have to declare the variables. So here I am going to add the two numbers, so I declare the variable A, B, C. Okay, so I declared these three variables in integer data type. So I'm going to give the value 10 to A and B 20. Okay, so now I'm going to add these two numbers. Every C program should end it with a semicolon, but the main function we don't give the semicolon because mine is the user defined function. You are only writing the coding for that, so you don't use semicolon for the main function. Okay, but every statements in the inside the main function you have to give the semicolon. So here I add these two numbers, then we have to print the value to the screen. So what is the function? Printf is used to print the values in the screen. So this is the printf function. With double quotation I'm giving the result. Here the output is in the type of integer, so I give %d where the result is stored. In the variable C only the result is stored, so I print this C. Okay, so this is the program we finished. This is the in C there are two methods to giving input to a variable. The first one is using the assignment statement. You can give value to variable. This is the example for the first method. Here A is a variable, B is a variable, C is a variable. These variables are of integer data type. Here I assign a value 10 to A, 20 to B. Add these two numbers by using the arithmetic operators, and the result is stored in the variable C. So here in the printf statement is used to print values in the screen. So in the printf statement within double quotes I print the result. This the %d is for integer, so I place in %d. So where the result is placed in C. Okay, so I have to print this C. So now we are going to see the result. So we run the program. The result is 30. Okay, 20 plus 10, the result is 30. So now I am going to explain you how you get input from keyboard using the scanf statement. Okay, so I have to change these statements, the same program, but how the inputs are gets using scanf function is going to explain now. So this is a prompt message, printf first number, enter the first number. /n is a new line operator. Okay, so now scanf is the input function used to. So here these three variables are in the data type integer, so I am using %d. Here the ampersand, the variable name is A. So first I get the variable, second again printf, enter the second variable, enter the second number. So /n, okay, new line operator. So now I'm going to get the second number using scanf. The data type of the second number is also integer, so I use %d, and the ampersand is the address operator. The second variable is B. So that's it. Okay, so this is the program So I'm going to run this. Now in the screen, what you have seen, enter the first number. So I'm going to give the number 5, enter the second number 5. Wait a minute, I will run again. Enter the first number 5, second number 5, the result is 10. Okay. So this is the use of the scanf. By using scanf, you can get input from the keyboard. Another important thing you have to keep in your mind is, by using the scanf function, you have give any different types of input. Okay. If you run again the same program, you can give the input as 10 for the first number and 20 for the second number, and you can get the 30. Okay. So again you clear this and again you compile this program. You run this program. You can also give different type of input by using the scanf statement. Okay. So this is the example of using scanf and the equal to, by giving input to a variable by using the equal to operator. If you run many times, the same output only displayed in the first method. Okay. But if you're using the scanf statement, you can give any different types of variables during the execution of the program and the compilation. Okay. So this is the example of sample program. I explained this by how you use scanf here. So once again I explained this. This is the data type, integer, 3 variables are declared. So this is a prompt message, and then the scanf is the input message. First, in the output you can see, enter the first number. This statement is first execute, printf enter the first number, and then the cursor. Once again I explain you, the compiler start reading this statement from void main itself. So this is the stdio.h. If you use the printf and scanf in your program, you must give this stdio.h. For example, this is the single line comment line. Comment line means the compiler won't read this statements. This is only for the user purpose. This is called the comment line in C. So now I put the header file in the comment section. So now if I run this program, error message will be displayed. What the error message displayed here? Printf statement, implicit declaration of printf, implicit declaration of scanf. Those things are displayed here. Okay. Why? Because if you use this scanf and printf functions in your program, you must include this header file stdio.h. This is the standard input output function. Now I am going to remove this from the comment section and run again. Here there is no error message. The program processed well. Okay. So this is the use of the standard input output header files. Okay. And then you have to give the ampersand for reading the variables from keyboard. If I won't give this, what will occur? So a warning message was given that expect arguments of the type integer. Okay. So here you notice that an error message was displayed here. Okay. Again, if I delete this ampersand 2 and run again, the same error was displayed here. Okay. So ampersand is the address operator you have to give during the execution of the scanf functions. Okay. If you run now, it didn't any give error message. Okay. So now I'm going to give the values and the result is 50. Okay. So this is the sample program. This time addition of two numbers using the scanf function. So in my next video I will post you other programs in my further classes. Okay. Thank you.